coordinate bond. Last time we talked about the covalent bond. Now, the coordinate bond is a type of covalent bond where the shared pair of electrons are contributed by only one of the atoms forming the bond. Let us use the example of ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, we have ammonia molecule that we remember how to draw, and it has some two lone pair of electrons. We call this one lone pair of electrons. They are lonely because they are not bonded. They're not participating in bonding. Now, ammonia molecule combines with hydrogen ion that has no electrons. As you can see, the outermost energy shell is empty. I've just drawn it there because so that you can visualize, but basically you don't need to draw it. We will only begin to draw this outer energy shell once we have bonded the hydrogen ion with the ammonia molecule. Now the following is going to happen. Now ammonium ion is going to form, whereby these two electrons are going to be shared between nitrogen and the hydrogen ion, and here they are. They form a dative bond or a coordinate bond. This is also known as dative bond. Now, since again the charges, when we calculate the charges, we'll find that we'll have a positive 1 or plus 1. So we have to put the square brackets and the charge. A shorter representation of the same is here, whereby the dative bond or the coordinate bond is represented by an arrow, and the arrow faces the direction to which the electrons are shared to, or you can say the arrow points the atom which receives the electrons for sharing. So in this case it is hydrogen, so it points towards hydrogen. Also remember the square brackets and the charge. Molecular structures. Now covalent bonds usually form two types of structures. The first one is molecular structures. Atoms forming molecules are held together by strong covalent bonds. Like in these oxygen molecules, we have two strong covalent bonds in between the atoms. But the individual molecules are held together by weak van der Waals forces of attraction. Here are the weak van der Waals forces of attraction as indicated. So we have strong covalent bonding between the atoms, but weak van der Waals forces between the molecules.